Let knowledge flow like a river without any hindrance. Don't make it like a stagnant pool. Design a pilecap by few clicks. This is part 2, 3 pilecap. Hello everybody, I'm PS Strategy with you. Today I'm going to explain you how we can prepare Excel PROFORMA for the design of 3 pilecap. If you are watching my video first time, please start from part 1 for more explanation. I hope you are going to enjoy this video. Your like, share, comment, subscription and views are the inspiration and remuneration of my hard work. Before start of the lecture, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Types of 3 pilecap. Type 1. I have designated this type 1 is as type 4 in my Excel sheet. So I have written here type 4 and this is type 5. Pilecap dimensions. LA, length, width is equal to LB, spacing of pile S, column dimension, in X direction CX, in Z direction CZ. Dimension of punching area in X direction BX is equal to 2 into D points plus CX. In Z direction BZ is equal to 2 into D points plus CZ. Overall depth D, punching depth D, punch. Lever arm for figure lever arm for type 4. In X direction, Jx is equal to 0.5 s. In Z direction, Jz1 is equal to 1/3 of h and Jz2 is equal to 2/3 of h. Lever arm for type 5. In X direction, Jx1 is equal to 1/3 h and Jx2 is equal to 2/3 h. In Z direction, Jz is equal to 0.5 s. Load on pilecap for type 4. Total self-weight of pile is capital SW. Self-weight on each pile, small sw is equal to capital SW divided by 3. Say load on P1 and P2 is equal to R1. R1 max is equal to SW plus Fy divided by 3 into second bracket. R1 max is equal to SW plus Fy by 3 plus 0.5 absolute Mx by Jz1 plus absolute Mz by Jzx. R1 minimum is equal to S small sw plus Fy by 3 minus 0.5 absolute Mx by Jz1 plus absolute Mz divided by Jx. Say load on P3 is equal to R2. R2 max is equal to SW plus Fy by 3 plus 0.5 absolute Mx by Jz2. R2 minimum is equal to SW plus Fy3 minus 0.5 absolute Mx by Jz2. Similarly for type 5, self-weight SW, self-weight on each pile, small sw is equal to SW by 3. The load on P1 or P2 is equal to R2. R1 max is equal to small sw plus Fy by 3 plus absolute Mx divided by Jz plus 0.5 absolute Mz divided by Jx1 and R1 minimum is equal to SW small sw plus Fy by 3 minus absolute Mx divided by Jz plus 0.5 absolute Mz divided by Jx1. The load on P3 is equal to R2. R2 max is equal to SW, small sw is equal to Fy by 3 plus absolute Mz divided by Jx2 and R2 minimum is equal to SW plus Fy by 3 minus absolute Mz divided by Jx2. Shear and bending moment for type 4. Maximum SFV is equal to R1 maximum BM is equal to 0.5 into S into R1, and in Z direction maximum V is equal to 2R1, maximum BM M is equal to H by 3 into 2 into R1. Similarly for type 4, in X direction, maximum VU max is equal to R1 max, maximum BM is equal to RU max is equal to H by 3 into 2 into R1 max, maximum SF, or therefore in Z direction, VU max is equal to 2 into R1 max, maximum BM is equal to MU max is equal to 0.5 into S into R1 max. Now I'm switching over to the Excel spreadsheet for the numerical calculation. Welcome to my Excel spreadsheet for the design and analysis of pilecap and PREPAIR. We're going to analyze this pilecap on friction pile in clay or sand. Look here, minimum spacing must be 1500, but we have provided 1250. It is not. So 1500. Overall depth cannot be less than punching depth. So it must be more than or equal to, say we are considering 800. And side projection is equal to overall depth. If we put here, it is not okay. So we have to put 800. Allowable increment in load capacity 25% for friction pile in clay or sand. So I'm putting here 25%. Load on pile is less than capacity of the pile. Now load reduction for opening 14%. Okay. Now I'm considering efficiency, group efficiency of pile. Design is okay. Next. Here 1 by CS we have to in X direction. $25 and $75. Okay. It will be 16 and 200. Okay. So we can also change this value to for 500. And this is all about my design of pilecap by few clicks part 2. I hope you enjoyed it. Part 3 will be released very soon. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel and also evaluate my performance with your valuable comments. Thank you.